Did you know that some of the wealthiest families in America use a life insurance strategy to quietly build tax-free wealth? While most people don't even know it exists, they don't gamble in the stock market. They don't rely on risky investments. Instead, they use something called an Indexed Universal Life Insurance Policy, or IUL, a financial tool that lets your money grow safely without market losses and gives you tax-free access when you need it most. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how this strategy works, why the rich use it to stay rich, and how you can start using it too, even if you're not a millionaire. Stick with me till the end, because what I'm about to share might completely change the way you think about life insurance and about money itself. Section 1, Why Most People Are Missing Out. Let's be honest. When you hear life insurance, you probably think of something that only pays your family after you die. For most people, it's an expense, not an investment. And because of that, they completely ignore it. But the wealthy don't see it that way. They see life insurance as one of the most powerful financial tools ever created. They know it's not just about protection, it's about control, compounding, and tax advantages. While most people chase the next hot stock or crypto trend, the wealthy quietly move their money into assets that give them predictable growth. No risk of market loss and tax-free withdrawals. And one of their favorite tools for that is the IUL. Section 2. What is an IUL? So, what exactly is an Indexed Universal Life Insurance Policy? In simple terms, it's a type of permanent life insurance that not only provides a death benefit, but also builds a cash value that can grow over time. Here's the magic. The growth of that cash value is linked to the performance of a stock market index, like the S&P 500, but your money is not actually invested in the market. That means when the market goes up, your policy can earn interest. But when the market crashes, you don't lose anything. The insurance company gives you a floor, usually 0%, which means you can't lose your principal. Think about that. You get the upside potential of the market without the downside risk. That's why IULs are often called the rich man's Roth IRA. Section 3. How it actually works. Here's how it works step by step. When you pay premiums into your IUL policy, a portion goes toward the cost of insurance. That's what keeps the death benefit active. The rest of it goes into your cash value account, which earns interest based on the performance of the chosen index. Each year, the insurance company credits your account with interest based on how the index performs. If the S&P 500 goes up 10% and your policy has a cap of 9%, you'll earn 9%. But if the S&P 500 drops 20%, you'll earn 0% instead of losing money. Over time, this cash value compounds, completely tax-deferred. And here's the best part. You can borrow from that cash value tax-free anytime you want. Yes, you heard that right. You can access your own money tax-free, without penalties, without restrictions, and without waiting until retirement age. Section 4. How the wealthy use IULs. Now let's talk about how the wealthy use IULs strategically. We've all heard the saying, the rich don't work for money. They make money work for them. That's exactly what's happening here. Wealthy individuals use IULs to create what's called their private family bank. They fund their policies aggressively, putting in large premiums, and then borrow against that growing cash value to buy real estate, invest in businesses, or fund their retirement. Instead of going to a traditional bank for a loan, they become their own bank. Their money continues compounding inside the policy, even while they use it elsewhere. Here's a real example. A business owner funds his IUL with $50,000 per year for 10 years. After 10 years, he's built up nearly $500,000 of cash value. He then borrows $200,000 from his policy to invest in a rental property without paying taxes or interest to anyone else. Meanwhile, his cash value continues to grow inside the policy as if he never took the money out. That's how the wealthy multiply their wealth while keeping it protected and tax-free. Section 5. Why IUL is so powerful. There are 3 big reasons this strategy is so powerful. Number 1, tax-free growth and access. Every dollar inside your policy grows tax-deferred, and when you borrow it, it's tax-free. That means no capital gains, no early withdrawal penalties, and no IRS headaches. Number 2, protection from market loss. When markets crash, you don't lose a cent. During years like 2008 or 2020, people with IULs slept peacefully knowing their money was safe while others lost half there. Retirement savings. Number 3, lifetime benefits. Unlike term insurance, which expires after 10 or 20 years, an IUL lasts for life, and the cash value keeps growing as long as you keep the policy active. That means your money is always working for you, even after you retire. Section 6, Tax Advantages Explained. Let's go deeper into the tax benefits, because this is where the strategy really shines. When you contribute to an IUL, it's with after-tax dollars. That means you've already paid taxes on it, similar to a Roth IRA. But here's the advantage. Your money grows tax-deferred, year after year. You can borrow against your cash value tax-free. And when you pass away, the death benefit is paid out tax-free to your family. No probate, no estate taxes, no IRS drama. That's why financial advisors often call IULs a tax-free wealth transfer tool. It's one of the few ways to move money from one generation to another without the government taking a cut. Section 7. Who should consider an IUL? Now, this strategy isn't for everyone. If you're struggling to pay bills or have high-interest debt, focus on that first. But if you're earning a steady income and want a safe, predictable way to grow your money without losing sleep over market crashes, this could be perfect for you. Ideal candidates are professionals aged 25 to 55 with consistent income, small business owners, self-employed individuals, parents planning for their kids' future college fund, anyone tired of market volatility. Even if you start small, say $200 or $300 per month, your policy can grow into hundreds of thousands over the years. Section 8. Common misconceptions. Let's address some myths and misinformation around IULs. Myth 1. It's too expensive. The truth is, an IUL is flexible. You can choose how much you contribute. Think of it as shifting part of your savings into a smarter vehicle, not an extra expense. Myth 2. It's only for the rich. Wrong again. Yes, the wealthy use it because they understand it, but anyone can benefit. You don't need millions to start. You just need a consistent savings mindset. Myth 3. It's too complicated. Anything new sounds complicated at first. But once you understand the basic concept, tax-free growth, market protection, and flexibility, it's actually very simple. Section 9. Risks and realities. Now, I won't pretend that IULs are perfect. There are things you should be aware of. First, these are long-term strategies. If you cancel your policy too early, you could lose some of the early value due to insurance costs. Second, IULs need to be properly designed. If your agent structures it the wrong way, with too high insurance costs and too little funding, it won't perform as expected. That's why it's critical to work with someone who specializes in IUL design, not just any insurance salesperson. The right design can make the difference between mediocre growth and incredible wealth building. Section 10. How to get started. So how can you start using this strategy? Step 1. Understand your financial goals. Are you saving for retirement, college, or just looking for tax-free growth? Step 2. Find a reputable financial professional who specializes in IULs. Ask them to show you how to structure a policy for maximum cash growth and minimum insurance cost. Step 3. Start funding your policy consistently. Treat it like your personal wealth account. The more you contribute, the faster it grows. And Step 4. Stay committed. The power of compounding and tax-free growth takes time, but the rewards are worth it. Let's recap. The wealthy have known this for decades. Money is not just about earning, it's about protecting, growing, and controlling it. An indexed universal life insurance policy lets you do all three. You can protect your family, grow your money safely, and access it tax-free, all at the same time. So if you're serious about building real wealth, it's time to stop chasing risky returns and start thinking like the wealthy. Because now you know their secret, and it's called IUL. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more real financial education, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. And if you want to see exactly how to design your own IUL step-by-step, check out the next video I've linked in the description. Thanks for watching, and remember, smart money isn't loud, it's strategic.